x plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 5. We have to find the value of x. How do we solve it? So we have fraction, but on the left hand side we have a variable. So there are two ways that we can solve it, by cross multiplying it or finding the common denominator. So let's do the first method. We cross multiply it. So it is 5 multiplied to x plus 1 is equal to 3 multiplied to 1. So this is 5x plus 5 is equal to 3. Now 5x plus 5. So this is a combination with variable and this one is a number. To find the value of the variable, we need to keep the variable one side and the number one side. So if we subtract 5 to both the sides, so this 5 and this 5 gets cancelled because 5 minus 5 is 0. Now we have 5x is equal to 3 minus 5 will be negative 2 because we cannot subtract 5 from 3. So we subtract 3 from 5 and then write the symbol of the bigger number. Now 5x means it is 5 multiplied to x. To remove the 5, we have to do the reciprocal action. It is multiplication, so we divide 5, and to balance the equation we do the same thing on the right hand side also. So we divide by 5, so 5 and 5 gets cancelled. X is equal to minus 2 upon 5. This is our answer. We can also find the common denominator and then solve this. So x plus 1 upon 3. 3 is a prime number and 5 is a prime number. To get the LCD of two prime numbers, what we do, we multiply both of them. So LCD of 3 and 5 will be 3 times 5, that is equal to 15. So LCD means least common denominator is 15. If we get the common denominator both the side 15, then we can solve it. So x plus 1 upon 3, if we multiply and divide it by 5, nothing is going to change because we can cancel 5 and 5, it is equal to 1. The purpose is that we don't change the question. When you divide and multiply by the same number, it is like multiplying by 1 because you can cancel each of them and then it is equal to 1. So we multiply and divide by 5 to the left hand side, and to the right hand side we multiply and divide by 3. It is also equal to 1. So this we can do. Now it is 5 multiplied to x plus 1 upon 5 times 3 is 15. Like this. This is also 3 upon 5 times 3 is 15. Now they have a common denominator. These common denominators get cancelled because 15 here is in denominator. If you send it to the right hand side, it will be multiplied. So this 15 and 15 is a like factor, so we can cancel them. So ultimately it is like multiplying the numerators and denominator, means cross multiplying. So what we did here, we found the common denominator. Now it's like 5x plus 5 is equal to 3. Same step that we did here. 5x plus 5 is equal to 3. So answer will be minus 2 upon 5. You can verify this answer. So x is minus 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 3, and this should be equal to 1 upon 5. So first we have a addition of fraction and then there is a denominator. So first we will solve the fraction in the numerator. Again LCD will be 5 here. So it is minus 2 plus 5 upon 3. Let's check whether it is equal to 1 upon 5. Minus 2 plus 5 will be 3 upon 5. And then upon 3. This upon 3 means it is in division. So we can write it as 3 upon 5 divided by 3. And when there is division, division gets converted into multiplication. And the number after that gets inverted. So we write here 1 upon 3. Now 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Now we have 1 upon 5 is equal to 1 upon 5. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 upon 5 is the correct answer. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.